The holidays are here. What better time to give the gift of nutrition for the birds? For the holidays, we are offering a special Thrive Ultimate Holiday Edition bird box. So we wanted to take you through what exactly is in this bird box and what you can expect. Included in this holiday special bird box are additional gifts for the bird. But we can't show you that because only Santa knows, right? What they are.
Not the Grinch.
So we wanted to show you what exactly is included in the Thrive Holiday Edition bird box, and also how easy it is to put together the dry mix. Inside this box, you're going to get all the ingredients you need for at least a month's supply of both a diverse whole food dry mix and a diverse weekly raw food mash. So let's get started. Let's see what's included in the box. So I'll start with the dry mix ingredients. So inside the box you will get an 8-ounce package of the Omega Conserve from China Prairie. Also a 1-pound organic dream mix. A 1-pound bag of Tops pellets. Now the pellet size will be determined by the size bird you have. We have the regular size that is for all size parrots. There's also the small size pellets and the mini size pellets. You just need to tell us the size pellet that you prefer. An 8-ounce package of our exclusive parrot mix from our Geary Snacks, also known as anuts.com. Tops Parrot Food all-in-one seed mix, a 1-pound package. And an exclusive to this box is a mix between freeze-dried chunky chop and freeze-dried sprouts from Texas Natural Freeze-Dried Products. And depending upon the size of your bird, you will get either mixed tree nuts in shell or mixed tree nuts that are shelled. For medium-sized birds, you get freeze-dried mealworms. For the large-sized birds, you get the freeze-dried mealworms and freeze-dried crickets from Fluker's Farms. And last, but certainly not least, in the dry ingredients, you get a 3-ounce package of In Powerhouse Avian Teas from Graywood Manor. Those are all the ingredients you get to create a diverse dry mix for your birds. That will last you at least a month's time. Now, there's also ingredients that you would use for a weekly raw food mash. For the weekly raw food mash, you'll receive the following ingredients. You'll get the Thrive Exotic Blend from China Prairie. You'll also receive the Sprouting Blends from China Prairie, 1-pound size, either the Citizen or the micrograin, depending upon your size bird. You'll also receive Tops all-in-one seed mix that you can soak and sprout out. You also get a 1-ounce GSC for use when you're sprouting. And then once you create your raw food mash, before you serve to your bird, you'll have the whole food supplement from China Prairie called Nourish. We wanted to show you how easy it is to put together our dry mix recipe. It's so easy, even Mr. Parrotsrus can do it.
A regular Sir Mix-a-Lot. I like big birds and I cannot lie. I got one on my left-hand side.
He sure does. Let's get mixing. This recipe is so easy. You're just going to take the dry ingredients and mix them all together. So we'll start with the Tops Organic Dream Mix. Then we have the from Graywood Manor, the In Powerhouse Teas. The shelled mixed tree nuts from our Geary Snacks, also known as anuts.com. Then the mixed tree nuts in shell.
Onion nuts.
Freeze-dried crickets and mealworms from Fluker's Farms. Is the Tops all-in-one seed mix. Then we got the Tops pellets, unprocessed cold pressed pellets. We got the Parrot mix from our Geary Snacks, also known as anuts.com. Lots of food here. Whole foods, all whole foods. Next is from China Prairie, the Omega Conserve. Need to have those omegas in there. Beautiful mix. And last, certainly not least, is Texas Natural Freeze-Dried Products. This is a combo between Chunky Chop and freeze-dried sprouts. So here's the end result. You get a diverse dry mix for your birds that they will go crazy for. Comprised of all whole foods. It's no secret, whole foods are better than processed foods. So hurry, place your order today for this special edition Holiday Thrive Ultimate Bird Box before supplies run out. You can buy a box for your flock for the holidays, or buy one, give one for 10% off. It's clear to see that this holiday season and the new year 2020 is the year to offer the best possible avian nutrition. Buy your Thrive Bird Box and get started today.